So it's your mock road test today. We'll see how you do. But like I said, we'll practice a little bit there before starting that. Looks like the sun's trying to come out. And we're going to turn right here at the stop sign. Must feel a little weird, eh? Not being in school, not having to go to school.
Where after school, I just try to get home quick before the hours. And I don't have to rush or anything.
I think your last hour is with Tanya.
Tanya, yeah, the 3rd, I think it is.
On July 3rd, yeah. That's just going to be like a final assessment, basically.
Oh, okay, it's just like review.
Yeah, review. Well, it's more of a just she'll watch how you drive and give you some coaching and correcting if there's any loose ends to tie up.
Okay.
She's great too. She used to be a transport driver.
Oh, okay.
Well, your brother can tell you that. Like, she's really good. At the traffic lights, we're going to turn right. Wearing a mask. Oh, maybe because of the smoke. Yeah. Yesterday it was a little smoky.
It's so cloudy here.
I wonder if that's smoke or just clouds, like way up the...
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah. For the wildfires, they number them. Apparently there was one, they call it Sudbury 17 wildfire. It was like raging out of control for a week. They got it under control now. Yeah.